Why does my car smell like sour milk?
Probably a spill of milk or something similar that's gone sour. Or mold and bacteria building up in the AC evaporator from moisture. Check for hidden spills under seats or in vents. Clean with an enzyme cleaner and run the fan on high without AC to dry it out.
So today I am going to try these Cyberbeans air filters that I got from Amazon. They came as a pair and they were, I think, £20 odd, 30 quid maybe. I will just say I never look at instructions, but these are the kind of instructions that work for me. Actual pictures of the actual thing. I bloody hate diagrams that have got a million different numbers and stuff. It's just too much for my brain to compute. So I'll always just look at a video instead, but that is actually really helpful. Prizer to prize it off. I'm not called a prizer, but you know, and a little Torx. Ow. Oh, it's right, bang my head on the steering wheel. Got to unplug this here. Takes me back to when I was about 18 and I had a Ford Fiesta. And I was always messing about with it, doing stuff like this. They were such simpler times. Oh, got you. Oh, there we go. Fiddly little get. Right, undo this. Should just be a pinch, I reckon. As if it was just going to be one bleeding screw. Okay, there is a screw right at the top of this door. See up there? It's really awkward to get to. So it's just like up here. Oh, finally got it bloody off, fiddly little get. Right, and here are my filters. And they come with a little tab so you can pull them out. Okay, yeah, they do. I'm not sure if that's where the smell's coming from, but they are pretty filthy, aren't they? Yeah, that is gross. I've seen some come out and they're like white and mine are like... Yeah, they definitely don't smell like sour milk. But, I mean, they are manky. And here are my replacements. So these are the Cyberbeans activated carbon facing the seat. Again, I like the instructions. Facing the front, facing the seat. You can't go wrong, can you? Well, on a note, if you are doing this leaning into the car like I keep doing, careful you're not pressing this because you're going to get stuck. You're going to get crushed in between. So make sure you're not touching that if you're in this footwell. There we go. By some miracle, I did actually get that screw back in. Yep, I'm back on. Well, hey. Well, they definitely went back a lot easier than they came off. I'm just going to record it as well, so I know when I've done it. So, okay, record, confirm, 26, yep. And yep, it's gone to there, 28th. Oh no, where's that from? Well, I'll tell you what, that's never getting put back in. I can now confirm that my Tesla no longer stinks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.